Um, I accidentally, I don't want to say accidentally, but I made too much money on it. So I'm now required to. It's a 50K combine, and the goal is $3,000 on it. But I had a like a really big day. Um, I think it. I don't know. I had it. I had it this day here where I made like $2,500 on the day, and it was like too much. So now the objective is moved, and so I have to make an additional 2,057 on the account. So I'm basically just looking to get a 780 $800 trade, and then so I can be done with this one here. So that's kind of like the goal today. I'm copy trading all of the accounts, so it does kind of like it limits, like if I get in a trade and it has a really nice big push, I'm just going to basically sacrifice it. I'm going to miss out on the full profit that I could make on the account. So it just for the sake of just having just like knocking this out for the final day and just being done with it. And then, then tomorrow I'll go back to executing like trades that I let run fully. But that's basically that's kind of like my main goal today is I want to get done with that combine, so hopefully I can have a clean day and do that, hopefully. The market's moving kind of funny. This is why you gotta love the Bollinger Band. Like if you look at this, like so where was open? Open was right here. So just if you waited for the volatility to happen, right? If you would have caught this right here outside of the Bollinger Band, we'll call it a 10-point stop. That's a 3.5 reward to risk. That's a 3.5 to 1. And then when it hit outside the Bollinger Band again, you could, like, if you would have taken it here and added, like, you know, and just another 10-point stop down to the outside of the Bollinger Band again, there's another 3 to 1. Boom. 10-point stop. It's so crazy. Like, let's just see what happens. That's another 3.53 reward to risk. Like, the funny thing is, like, this is, I hate to say it, but like the Bollinger Band in and of itself is a strategy. I don't care what anyone says. If you didn't know anything about anything, if you knew nothing and you applied a Bollinger Band with a deviation of 2, Bollinger Band with a deviation of 2 to your chart, and you just traded like a Bollinger Band strategy, like, you would make money. Like, look, let's go over here. Let's see, boom. It doesn't make it all the way to the top of the Bollinger Band, but like, let's just say if you were targeting it, right? And you have a 10-point stop. Right? And you got in, it's like basically as soon as it hit the outside of the Bollinger Band, even if you were just like trailing candle by candle, like, it's a profitable trade. It's crazy. Like, we'll do another one right here. Another profitable trade. Take us back. 10-point stop, targeting the outside of the Bollinger Band. It hits, boom, you're in, trail, or just have a break even and see, like, it's literally a whole strategy. Does it work 100% of the time? No. But if you knew nothing and you were just so confused and you were like, oh my God, what can I do to make money? I'm telling you, Bollinger Band strategy. From what, 8:40 to open, you already had 3 trades. From open at 9, this is Mountain Standard Time, but from 9:30, right, until not even a full 30 minutes, you've already gotten 1, 2, and now 3 trades. So imagine when you pair the Bollinger Band with confluence such as the trend, or, you know, if you're able to read market structure or whatever, you know, support and resistance, order blocks. Imagine how much more strong that would make the strategy. If you're lost and you can't figure shit out and you're confused, start with a Bollinger Band. Throw a Bollinger Band on your chart. Make sure you got the 2 in there, length of 20, and the way it's preset on TradingView, everything else is fine. Everything else is fine. And if you focused on nothing else, right? Look at the market. You go, oh, okay, we're in a downtrend. Cool. So Bollinger Band, when it hits outside of the top of the Bollinger Band, just short it. That's it. Just short it. Stick with the trend, right? You would have had a beautiful trade right here. If that was the only thing you took today, if it was all you did, pushes, even if it was this candle that you caught, as soon as it's outside of the Bollinger Band, boom, 10-point stop. I'm trying to get it exact. There we go. 10-point stop. Just target the bottom of the Bollinger Band, or just target a reward to risk of 3 to 1. Boom. You'd have been done for the day. You'd have been done. I might literally abandon my whole, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to abandon my strategies, but I'm just, it's a thing. It's a whole thing. I'm telling you. If you're lost, just start there. Start with a Bollinger Band. Start with a Bollinger Band. Look at this gorgeous one. If you just based it off of the fact that it got outside of the Bollinger Band, 10-point stop, 3-1, and you're going down because it's in a downtrend, boom. That's crazy. That's crazy. Absolutely insane. It's stupid how easy it makes it. Why am I not? Well, it is a part of my strategy. I just add other confluences to it. The Bollinger Band is absolutely insane. All right, what am I waiting for? I am waiting for the market to tap. Maybe I'm working too hard. Maybe I just need to have a Bollinger Band strategy where I literally just go, oh, that's the trend. Like, oh, it's outside of the Bollinger Band. Oh, sell. 3-1, done. Maybe I'm working too hard. I'm out here working too hard, y'all. Let's see what would have happened if you would have taken this one. 10-point stop. You can trail or just have your break-even stop right there. Once you get into profit, target a 3-1. Let's just see what would have happened. Even if you didn't win, like, meaning, like, even if it didn't hit your TP, you're already deeply into profit. Oh my God, I swear I might just go to a Bollinger Band strategy. Like, just, like, look how many trades I would have caught already. It's crazy. Now we'll see if this one makes it. I don't know. I'm waiting for the market to do a pullback back to the 50 moving average in the 5-minute time frame. So in this moment, I'm bullish for this moment, at least until we get that pullback, and then I'm looking for a move back to the downside. Oh my God. Oh my God. You would have hit. You would have hit. That's absolutely insane. Bro, I'm about to just buy on the I'm just about to just buy as soon as we push outside of the Bollinger Band. Should I just buy? Should I test it out? Oh boy, I'm overcomplicating things. Okay, so that would have been a buy that you would have got fucked up on. Nothing's 100%, but look how many you would have already won. If you would have taken all of them, you wouldn't even be trading anymore. You'd be done. I'm just saying. But you would have been fucked up on that one. It would have been bad. But if you're trading 3-1, it would have been a small dent in the overall picture. What do we have? 50. Oh God, we got a whole 45 seconds left on the 1-minute candle. Alright, I'm trying to wait for the market to become a little bit more oversold here. And what I'm waiting to see is like, because we have New York's previous day low not too far. It's right here. So the market is obviously reaching for something. This is probably what it's reaching for. So I'm trying to be patient and see if we're gonna get there. And we got like a bunch of old liquidity down there as well. So that's the move that I'm looking for, that I want to try to get like a reward to risk of like 6-1 on. However, I'm looking at the way the market is like acting, because I think we might do a pullback before we get there. But then the question becomes, nah, it's reaching. I mean, so that makes it too risky. So we have to wait. What a crazy move that would have been, huh? $15 left on the 1 minute candle. The weird thing is it almost looks like the market's ready to take off already. Like, even though we haven't touched that level, it makes it risky. But the market looks like it's ready to go right now. Oh, no, okay. We got our signal to wait. Even though price action should have told me that anyway. It's that greed kicking in. Alright, let's be patient. Let's see if we can get that tap to New York's previous day low. Why does it kind of look like we're not going to get it? I have to ask myself, is that if I were to take this up before it taps that level, is that an A+ trade? It's not. Let's just be patient. Here we go. Reaching, looking for a tap to 23.5975. Boom. There it goes. Very good. We have other liquidity in this area, so I expect a deeper reach. I don't want to be tricked by this. We have 23.42, old liquidity left behind by London on 10.21. Let's get that tap. Sheesh. Market went crazy. Okay. Did we get the tap? We did not get the tap. I want to see it hit that level. $23.42. 23.4225. One minute left on the 3 minute candle. Alright, so we got to be patient here, because even though we've hit the key level, we ran the liquidity level that I was looking for, there's just too much liquidity in this immediate area to just like jump on this. So we gotta just pause. And this was the first hit. And when you back to sometimes you know, I just don't feel like we're there yet. We have I just, there's a reason to wait. We're gonna wait. It's pushing, but let's just hang tight for a minute. So I want to see it come back and hit the level again and probably run the low that it just made. And I would like to see when it runs that low, I want to see it tap into that 234225 liquidity level. And there's another one at 2321. So it could, and then there's another one at like 2277. So it wouldn't be that crazy for the market to just run down and grab, oh my God, there's another one, 2196. Okay, we're doing a lot. We're doing a lot, market. There's a lot of old liquidity down there. What I'm gonna wait for is just to see the market tap the key level, hit that liquidity level again, hopefully run the low that was just made, and then look for an entry opportunity. And if it's a L, that's okay. Then we'll just wait for the next entry. Where did they hit? It was that candle right there. Made it 20. It doesn't happen 100% of the time, but most of the time the market will come back to the liquidity pool. It'll hit it, engineer more, and basically engineer another liquidity level, run it, and then go for like the bigger reach. So our higher time frame confluence is that we have a bullish order block in the area. I got a bullish order block in the area that I'm looking to take the trade. If we get a move back down, it's inside of a premium Fibonacci level. So it's in a it's in a discounted area. We are below 50% of the range, okay, mapped out in the 15-minute time frame. So this is where I want to be taking longs. We have a key area down here. We have a lot of liquidity down there. And okay, so that's our higher time frame confluence. Lower time frame confluence is basically going to be that if we're able to move back to this area, then that's where we're going to get oversold. And then we have an imbalance left behind, so we have a reason to come back and fill this all the way probably, down to here. So it would make sense that it comes back and runs this level, and then we're going to look for a bigger move up to the top, and we're basically going to target this imbalance right here that we can clearly see in the 1 minute time frame. Higher time frame confluence for why the market would move back up to that level at all. You can see very clearly in the 15-minute time frame, there's an imbalance right here that needs to be filled to about this level. And so I expect to see the market come back up to there at some point. Okay, so we have our higher time frame confluence, we have our lower time frame confluence. So that's essentially what we're looking for, looking to see happen. So, where is? And again, like, unfortunately, this is a day where we've got, this is a day where we have confluence on both sides. So the market does have levels towards buy side and sell side liquidity that ultimately it needs to tap into. But I'm looking for what I'm looking for. That's probably like all that I would have needed to meet my objective for the day too. I'm trying to play it like super safe, but I do normally take those first taps, and I have a rule that I put in place for when I do take it on the first go, to kind of like protect the trade more, because the first one is basically that's usually the most risky entry to take for the power of 4. But as you can see, like, they work. And honestly, like this next one, like this one's gonna be a little bit tricky because I expect it to run this level, and when it does, I don't know if it's gonna tap into these other liquidity levels. So I just have to be very patient and wait. So in this case, the secondary entry might actually be the more risky one. We'll see. It's 10:18 New York time, so it's kind of late. I definitely would not have preferred to be in the market still, but closed. Hmm.
Order filled.
Alright, we're gonna hop in this. We have an initial 76, 96, 25, 75, 25. I want to London's low at 23.4225, 23.4225.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, that was a fast stop out. Creating an imbalance on the way down with the double top.
Order filled.
Ooh. Let's go with our initial 20-point stop.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck. That's what I get for taking a stupid trade. But I do think that it makes sense to short it because I don't know how far down it's going to go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow. That's unfortunate. And look what we're reaching for. It's the fucking 50 moving average. Oh my god. Why? Why? Alright. Let's let it do its thing. Let's let it touch the 50. I think that's... Hopefully that's where we're headed. But then again, if we touch... Let's see if we have the energy to move up and touch the 50. Then that would actually be very perfect. It'd be the thing that I was supposed to wait for. Is that 2444? That's way the fuck up there. That's literally reaching for this imbalance. Oh my god. Massively annoying. Okay, we're almost there. So I basically would align with this 78% level. Doesn't mean that we should be also aware that it might want to tap this. It might want to retrace this 100%. Oh, maybe not. Why did I map that one out? Because it looks like that imbalance actually closed. So let's just wait for the 50 to close and then we're good to see if it makes sense to hop in. We need a small, another reach up. Look how these highs are perfectly, almost perfectly equal. The market will run that. Be patient, be patient. Alright, finger off the trigger until that 50 moving average gets touched. Of all the impulsive things I could have done, I probably did the dumbest impulsive thing. Like, I chose two of, like, the dumbest impulsive moves that I could have taken all day. Alright, we're just waiting for the market to run up to the 50 to run this high that it just made. hopefully it stops there before the 3-minute touches the 200 moving average, because then I'm liable to go on fucking tilt. It's a cute little trap the market is setting up right now. People who already went short are about to get blown out the same way I just did. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You got it. Come on, come on. The double trap for people who like the wicks. Get in this short, get in this short. We haven't tapped it yet. The market is still trapping motherfuckers. You gotta love it. You gotta love the retail trader setup. It's like doing it on both sides. Like, you know, for people who like hammerheads, right? You're like, oh, the market's not going to go down anymore. Enter, boom, run. For the people who like wicks, oh, the market's rejecting from here. Get in, get in, get in. And then it's about to run. You gotta love it. Fucking crazy. Okay, there goes the tap. Are we slowing down? Did we hit the boom, there goes the 78%. Okay, cool, tap that. We hit the 50 moving average, we hit the 78%. We could run up to this to the 100% as well. It looks like we're reaching, We don't have to have that though. We do not have to have that. 48 seconds left on the 1 minute candle. If we do get it though, we would get a nice clean push out of the Bollinger Band, which would be the most ideal entry. So let's be patient. Okay, great, great, great.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Piece of shit. Let's see if we can get one more push outside of it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go with a 50, 60, 10 point stop. See if our stop survives here. It was a hesitant entry. It's not as good as it could have been. I really want to see us move down from here though, because if we go up and tap this 200 moving average in the 3 minute, It just means something else. Every small movement that's not moving down is pissing me off. Like, I'm just... A lot of it has to do with, like, just my own shit. But just still, I just... I don't like this shit. Whatever's happening here, I'm not into it. I'm emotional. Do not like this bouncy shit. my god, I'm on fucking edge. Hit my fucking TP. The fucking nerve. Oh my god. Hit the fucking TP. I'm done. I want to be done. I want to be free. Let me out. Let me out. Hit my TP. Hit my TP. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. The fucking nerve. The fucking nerve. How the fuck did I get this emotional? Smash it! We're playing these fucking games. Fucking Doji, I swear. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Fucking believable. Alright. 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 Okay. Let me calm down. Let me calm the fuck down. Let me calm down. Smash the TP. Smash. Do we have it? Do we have it? Come on. You fucking piece of shit. Just tap it, buddy. Just tap it. Really? My stop's getting hit. Like, I just, there's no wick on that candle at all. 2 dojis before it. Unless we just get a flash down. How annoying. It's nobody's fault, right? But it's just annoying.
Order filled.
Thank God. Oh my God, I almost lost my shit on that. Obviously, I'm done trading for the day. I hope you learned something here. Keep your emotions in check. All right, don't take trades that you know you shouldn't take. Just wait for the right setup. Wait for the quality setup. All right, the goal was met. All right, so the combine, that should be beat without me going over what the new consistency rule is, or consistency parameters are. And obviously made back everything that was lost on the day. So across the fundeds, let's see, we actually made $3,104 today. By we, I mean me. Hopefully your day went well as well. Yeah, I'm very emotional. I'm getting out of the market. I don't know why that got so intense for me. But I definitely snapped a little bit after I made the mistake of entering 2 poor trades that really had nothing to do with my trade plan today. Okay. I hope you took something valuable away from this, okay? I really do. And I'm going to stop drinking coffee because I'm over the top. And I'm glad my life turned out okay for the moment. All right. I will see you guys next time. Oh, let me at least explain why I got in this trade. All right. So number 1, right? We hit the target level, which was right here, right? And when that level, I didn't take it because I was waiting for the market to bounce and then come back and then take the second one. Just because the way that it looked, I just didn't, it looked like it was worth waiting for the second bounce on this one, which in fact it was not. Which is why I do like to take them on the first hit, because you just don't really know. And if your reward to risk is strong enough, then you'll make up that loss anyway. All right, so, but I was waiting for the bounce. The market started moving up. I thought prematurely that we might see hold on. What am I looking at right here? 3 to 5. What I really want to show you is the 3 minute and the 5 minute. Okay, so let me just make sure. Okay, so you can see the 3 minute over here. I know you can see more of the 5 minute, but the 3 minute came up and it hit the 50 moving average. So I was waiting. I wanted to see the 5 minute hit the 50 moving average before I took a short, but I took those 2 shorts before that happened and I paid the price. I look for this particular congruency between the 3 minute and the 5 minute. So when the market came and hit this, I was waiting for the 5 minute to subsequently hit its 50 moving average as well. The market ended up moving down and giving us a nice power of 4 before it did that. I took the 2 shorts, lost those. They were not good entries. It was a bad move. Market came up, hit the 5 minute 50 moving average. And then when that happened, I was looking to see the 1 minute give us basically to get overbought and then to take an entry back down to the downside. The confluence that I had for basically kind of flipping my trade essentially is we have these levels down here that have yet to be hit. And so I felt very strongly that the market would come back to tap this key area and the New York's previous day low. But I was also looking to see the market run into at least one of these liquidity levels that it hadn't tapped into before. As of right now, we have not gotten that, but that would be the confluence that was behind my premise on the trade. Okay, so entered the trade, and that first one, right, it got stopped out at break even. I got back in the trade once the market pulled back down, and then basically took the trade. The reason I got out where I got out was because of the combine that I'm trading. In addition to the ones that are already funded, the combine is already, I've already made too much money, so I couldn't really make much more than like, what was it, like 780, something like that, around that I needed to make. That was like the max that I wanted to hit, was like 780 for the trade. So that's the reason why I got out of the trade where I did. So I don't know what it ended up actually being. I don't know exactly where I got it in, but I don't know. Did I reduce it to a 10 at some point? And then we got out somewhere around here. Okay, I'll have to look and see, but it's somewhere around a 6-to-1 for the trade, I believe, right? Because we had the doji, this red candle. We made that smooth high. It's somewhere around that. So either a 5.5 to 6 to 1 reward to risk. Okay, so that explains why I got in the trade, why I managed it the way that I did. And yeah, again, obviously I'm emotional and I'm flustered, and it's not like a normal woman's emotional. I'm overly emotional, and I need to get myself back to center. Okay, so I'm done with the market for the day. I'm gonna breathe, meditate, journal, move on with the day. If I hadn't taken those 2 trades that made no sense for me to take, I don't think that I would be this emotional right now. But I think part of it is just that I'm mad at myself. But anyway, I'll deal with my own shit, okay? All right, so I will see you for the next one. I'll see you tomorrow for the New York session. Happy trading, everyone, and I hope you took something valuable away from this. All right, until next time.